USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all in same page on ongoing civil justice sign-off is all for Queen Elizabeth II, the Lucifer, the Satan, the Antichrist, created tax mandate COVID-19 for poverty mandate process to create emotional damages to fellow mankind worldwide to be tortured every single day forever. And it is Queen of England, Elizabeth II, who mandated the state tax mandate. It's $1 trillion errors, and it is a deadliest crime. Ongoing civil, and I'm providing ongoing civil closure sign-off process. Okay, and there is no other crime that a nation can even think of in a dream to provide to collect state tax or even federal tax from the civilians. It is the deadliest crime according to true Christianity. According to the Holy Bible, Luke chapter 19, a nation must never ever collect any tax from the civilians. Okay, so Queen Elizabeth II, the Satan, the Antichrist, Lucifer, the hell creator, is lawmaker. Okay, and enforced federal tax, state tax to mandate poverty, and it is $1 trillion crime. So so you all got the answer, right? So you all now know that why on the earth they want to provide the tax means they want to create poverty. Poverty means when people are in a financial dependent mode, then they are absolutely in a disabled mode, right? So then people can do whatever they want. So that is what they wanted to create, and it's all created in a legalized, systematic, organized crime. And I am providing the live demo with live proof, and absolutely USA government should pay me tax-free $1 billion for a salary, for I displayed all the government agencies errors, and all the finance services errors, and all the broken systems, and all the broken justice services, etc. So for that alone, USA must pay me a salary of $1 billion. Okay, it should be tax-free. Okay, now Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, Lucifer, hell creator, is also lawmaker. Okay, and he enforced federal tax and state tax to mandate only poverty, and it is $1 trillion crime. So so this highest level of wisdom is for wisdom of education is on what? Who are lawmakers in the nation, right? But then can you all see who's the lawmakers and why the hills are created? Because they were all men's club, and they wanted to create the law according to their will and pleasures. Whatever is okay for them, they want to create that as a legalized one, and whatever is not okay, then they want to make it as a illegal one. So it is a scandal. It's $1 trillion worth of scandal, and it was created only in the spider web mode. That way, they were thinking in a foolish way that nobody could figure it out, and that was successfully that was the truth, right? Because 500 years passed, and not even one national leader in any of the nation could figure out what exactly went wrong. Everybody knew that they wanted to know something is wrong, but they never knew what is the root cause. At least that is why the handcuffed at fault mode and found guilty in all counts. The United States of America nation is very happiest just because I'm born. That's all is needed. A vices must be born for a nation to be blessed. Got it? So you are going to see, you all are going to puke, being aware who are the lawmakers, right? So Queen Elizabeth II is a lawmaker. Okay, she's so evil. So she's the high level of the hierarchy of the any national organization's chart. Okay, so USA government has been modeled after Roman Empire and Egypt Empire. So Roman Empire and Egypt Empire means they enforce only slavery. They enforce poverty. They want the people to be always in the controlling mood like that. They do not like the people to live free, happily, ever after mood. They always wanted the people to be shedding tears. So I already told that, educated that on the blood cells level, they are very dangerous to the wild, and they are wild endangered species, and they must not be living in the earth. And yet USA allowed deadliest wild endangered species to live free. It's another $1 trillion crime. And then for making those absolute monarchs to create a hell of a law is another $1 trillion crime, right? That's they do not have any birthright to collect any kind of form of version of tax from the civilians. It is absolutely crime. Oh, there is no other crime than to collect tax in any form, be it state tax or federal tax or whatever. So, out of all the four agencies, Department of Children's Families, Department of Justice, Department of Health and Services, and Department of Revenue, the first agency that should be sealed and shut down immediately means just less than 1 second. That's all you have to do. You have to tell us, just seal and shut down. Don't provide any more tax services and don't get any more curses. Means I am just helping out the USA nation operations. That is all, right? Then so in the organization structure, how it is structured is first in the hierarchy of the USA government operations is Queen Elizabeth II. So she is the one who mandates law, federal tax, and state tax, and she tells that she educates USA nation that, hey, USA nation, collect tax and pay me the tax every single day. That's all. Boom. Okay, she is a lawmaker. So then the Pope Francis is a puppet, right? Pope Francis is a PMO, like a project manager officer or a field worker, like in a honeybee monarchy process model. So Pope Francis also does the same. He's a lawmaker, but he does not explicitly says that to the nation. So that is why the USA nation and all nations got confused, and with the blinded eyes, they are thinking Pope Francis God, right? They even address him only as Pope God in Asian nations. Do you all know that? So that means nobody knows that Pope Francis is the lawmaker. Got it? So they are on the hierarchy. So hierarchy 2 is who? Pope Francis the Satan. Then comes what? That organization structure is divided into two. One is Republican government and the other one is the Democrat government. So under the Republic government, because they are also field workers of Pope Francis, they also become faces of Pope Francis and Antichrist. Okay? And that means Satan, devil, evil, like that. Why? Because they are in the name of law, they are going to pollute the holiest law services, and they are going to create more of injustice in the name of justice. Only they are going to create injustice verbiage in the bill processing, and that is how for past 500 years the scandal has been going on and on. So that is why how many senates were there, how many House of Representatives were there, how many GOP were there, how many speakers were there. Why not even one educated population were able to fix it? Because they all know that on the higher level they are hired by the USA government only to create poverty. So on the other end, they also have to provide the show, right? In the televisions and in the news channels, in the media, they have to provide a show. So that is how the speaker, Nancy Pelosi, they are all proving that they are evil, right? So, but they have to provide a show. So House of Representatives and all the presidential candidates and vice president, they provide a show, but they literally knows that they are they are only hired to create only poverty. If they are going to work on to help for the poverty people, then they will all get fired or they will be killed by Queen Elizabeth II. And this has been a pattern of abuse for quite a longer time. Okay, so that is why USA is happiest, because Vedapriya, the wisest woman on the earth, is standing in front of entire human kingdom, all nations, and then going to get the civil justice. Okay, so now, on the third hierarchy level, Republican government are the hell creators. Okay, so that means they are the poverty creators. So who are there? For example, we have a live example, right? Only few days ago, only the Republican government got ended. So that means we are going to take care of the recent Republican government and also the very initial stage of the Democrat government on the both sides. Okay, and then both of them are in the same level of at fault mode, found guilty mode in all counts of crimes of Vatican. Okay, nobody is better than nobody, and that is why nobody can mock at each other. Okay, so the president during the Republican president during the Republican government during the year 2016 to 2020 was who? President Trump, right? Be aware that he is a lawmaker. Got it? Then there is a vice president also, right? Around in that Republican, his name is Vice President Pence. He's also a lawmaker. Okay, so are you all puking? Yes, hold on, there is more to puke. Okay, and the Republic GOP leader, I don't want to mispronounce his name. So, Republic GOP leader, the lawmaker, is a lawmaker. Can you all see how the scandal has been? I just tearing the masks of all the fake government population who were wearing the tag of government public services, and they were just destroying the fellow mankind peace, right? Now you all got the answer why Republican GOP is always providing a roadblock after roadblock, right? Now just imagine what if he's been provided with a roadblock, if he's been tortured with finance disability, what would he have done, right? Or what would President Trump would have done? Or what would Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinks would have done when they have been enforced and tortured with finance disability? Means just make them poverty, just have them unemployed, right? But then that is why the scandal is a scandal, means they were all given lifetime jobs. So, and lifetime jobs and that too, not minimum salary. They are the highest paid salaries. Okay, minimum at least 150,000 they'll be earning, and even just above 100K, I would say. Okay, and then free benefits, because they are all government public services, so free benefits. And then they don't have to worry about monthly paying bills, everything, because everything will be free for them. So that is why they do not know what is poverty, how the people who are undergoing with the finance crisis will be tortured. Now tell me, for a tit for tat process, I'm the owner of the USA, right? I can order that Republican GOP to be laid off immediately, right? And put him on the unemployed status, and just ask him to, the Republican GOP, to run to the welfare, stand on the queue and wait for the finance assistance. Means that is tit for tat. I can do that, right? Nobody will ask me, because I'm proving all the deadliest scandals, right? Where will the where will the Republican GOP leader will have his face? He talks nicely on the TV and the whatever media, right? He thinks he is the only God in the whole entire unit earth. And I stood up and I just slapped on his face, right? And that means President Trump cannot help the Republican GOP leader, and nobody can help him, right? The crime is deadliest, and I'm just displaying all the crime with the live proof. No, he cannot escape, right? So a Republican GOP leader is a lawmaker. So you all never knew, right? You all were thinking, oh, Republican GOP, la la blah blah blah, and he always provide only roadblock. Why nobody gets the policy bill done? Means it was all organized, mandated way. That's how they have to do it. What if they pass the bill? Means they will lose their job, or they will get killed. Not it. So at least you got educated today that Republic GOP, this session might go a little longer, but please be patient, okay? It's very crucial issue that we are fixing it. Then Republican Speaker is also lawmaker. Republic Congress is also lawmaker. Then Republic Senate is also lawmakers. And 117th Republic House of Representatives are also lawmakers. So how many lawmakers are there in Republican government alone? I am not yet there for the Democrat. So that many educated population, right? And not even one man or not even one woman in Republican government knows how to operate government. They just destroy, right? President Trump never cares that the USA nation got destroyed or not. He's not a patriotic. I educated those people who are addressing themselves as citizens of USA are not citizens after all, right? But then, even at the at fault mode, it's always President Trump only is innocent. And there is I told in my book of civil law, there is a process of finding the innocence, right? The highest level is he's not a lawyer, that's all. He's a businessman. He want to make dollars, and he made a lot of dollars. And he got a lot. He's a real estate mogul, and he knows how to get land, how to get buildings on his own like that. And he created a hell lot of money in this past 4 years. That's all is needed for him. He never even bothered whether the population got the help needed. And even in that scandal mode, on a very least minimum, he was just only listening to my wisdom education, and I provided what are the tasks he was provided. Got it? So that means the President Trump supporters will know, if they know it is me only educated, they'll be wanting me only to be the leader. Got it? So now you got, so all the Republican government population are lawmakers, right? And so some are accredited from the law school, some are not. And you all know that there is never need for a civilian to be having a law degree from the accredited law school to be a lawyer or a judge, because as long as a civilian is so wisest enough, that is enough for an eligibility. Okay, that is, you all have to know about that. Now, so okay, you all know that how a Republican government is still broken in pieces, right? Nobody can help Republican world. Now, when you're coming to the Democrat government, so what is the Democrat government as of today? Just few days only they had the inauguration, right? So that means for the year of 2021 up until next 4 years. And I said, I've been always saying, President Joe Biden, please back off. Please back off means I know the scandal is so deadliest crime. And he sure will announce his resignation. Okay? So, the Democrat President Joe Biden is a lawmaker. Got it? How he is going to resign? How he got red-handed by me, the wisest lady in the earth? Law is a lawyer and also lawmaker, right? So I will only ask for how long you have been in the lawmaking processing and why you have not even fixed any of the USA government. You are a citizen, you're telling you're a citizen, blah blah blah, like that. But then it was all only for the show. Got it? Everybody is on the same boat and same crap only. So they are all the faces of Pope Francis after all, right? Then the Vice President Kamala Harris. So for the Democrat government, the new government, the Vice President is Kamala Harris. So both of them, both Vice President Pence for the Republican government and Vice President Kamala Harris for the Democrat government, both of them are lawmakers. And both of them, they never did anything on their job. I already explained, nobody knows what job task they have to do. They have been just, always for the namesake, because they have to just provide a sweet talk. That's all is needed. And they get paid highest salary for that. Everything free for them. Then, Democrat GOP leader is also a lawmaker. I think his name is Schumer, right? So he's also a lawmaker. So what was he doing all along? Then Democrat speaker is Nancy Pelosi, right? She's also a lawmaker. What she was doing? And is she a woman? Does she know? Then why on the earth she never even knows that biological moms must never ever be separated from children? Why? So that proves how on the evil level, the highest evil will be the women only. Right? So Nancy Pelosi is evil. She proved and she's proving. Right? Then the Democrat Congress is also are also lawmakers. Then the 117th Democrat House of Representatives are also lawmakers. Now imagine how many people are there in the lawmaking process, right? Region by region, district by district, municipality by municipality, town planning by town planning, right? How many people are there? But then they never able to provide a healthy process because all this tax mandate was created to create poverty only. I already explained, right? What if a civilian wants to get $500 from a bank, and the bank says paid 15% of tax? So that means out of that $500, 15% of that 500 should be subtracted. Only then he will get the remaining. That is wrong. Oh, that is deadliest crime, and that's no shame after all, right? So that is why all the financial services are broken in pieces. They are in total shock because all along for past 500 years, let's say JP Morgan Chase was and Rockefeller and Rothschilds, right? Those were all the finance people, moguls, who were designing the architecture design for the USA national operations. That foundation level lesson was made and mandated to be wrong. It was mandated in a way to mandate and create and enforce poverty for the fellow mankind. Got it? So, for example, if you miss a pay in a credit card, they they provide a interest anywhere between 9% to 13%, right? And they talk to you so sweet voice. Oh, if your credit score is good, we will look into that and we'll no. How many people are got the loan and they only paying only interest after interest, and the balance has been only accumulating, right? And they also provide more illusion. In some months, for some months it looks as if the balance is getting reduced, in some months it skyrockets. So they make sure that the software line of code is also polluted. It's not even a loophole, it was enforced and mandated that way. Okay, so now you all got the answer. The tax mandate, state tax mandate, and federal tax mandate was never created to prevent poverty. It was created to create extreme poverty. Got it? And when people like disabled people, like widows or farmers or foster parents or military veterans, right, or divorced population or health issues like cancer people, means these emotional torture is added on layer on of it, top of it. Got it? So can you all understand how the scandal has been added on and on, right? So that is really not right, right? That is what that is a human process. But then Pope Francis and Queen of England, they destroyed even the basic humanity among the U.S. government professionals itself, right? The Senate are humans only; they are not monsters, right? And if you're going to look into the GOP leaders, they are not monsters, they are not devils, they are not evil, right? But they are humans only. Then if you're going to see the speaker Nancy Pelosi, she is a human only, right? At least she looks like a human, that's all. But then how on the earth they are able to provide help? How on the earth they are able to provide enforcement of poverty? Right? So, how on the earth they are shamelessly, Nancy Pelosi and GOP leaders like Republican GOP leaders, they are creating a show, a false hope. Now, false hope means it is very dangerous to destroy the human fellow mankind brain nerves with, it's a type of a emotional manipulation. It's not going to happen, but then they are going to provide the false hope. Oh, this will happen, but it will never happen. So that is the deadliest emotional torture that can be provided to the civilians. So what is the live proof? In the year 2020, I already educated how that COVID-19 is already a scandal, okay? And I'm sure we'll get the civil justice for that scandal. Just leave that alone. But then During that time, these people, President Trump and Dr. Fauci, Dr. Branch, right? They were all providing a show. And then the Speaker Nancy Pelosi and the Democrats, they're creating self-pity kind of a mood. See, we Democrats always wanted to provide only healthy options. These Republicans only provide roadblock, means they are just pointing out each other. So that shows that immaturity, right? Versus all people are only grown-ups and all are even adults only. Most of them are in an old age population only. I already educated. But then look at their brain operation level. It is so narrow-minded, cheap, right? And it is there all, that's a generation gap, and they are already in the only caveman era. Right? So that is why they are not able to think in a broad way, in a very humane way, right? So that is why their eyes got blinded. So what are they doing? Oh, we are working on stimulus package. Oh, next check is coming. Oh, it is coming. Oh, here it is coming. Oh, no, now it is coming. Oh, no, no, no. The government is going to shut down. Oh, no, no, no. There is a festival. Like that, they are providing false hope. That is wrong. Absolutely wrong. And why they are doing that? Because they are absolutely puppets and slaves to Pope Francis. Got it? If at all they were able to fix the poverty, then all their jobs will be in, they all will be laid off or they will be killed, to be upfront on the raw truth. So now what is the education you all got? That Republican government professionals, the Senate or whoever, and same for the Democrat, they are all the lawmakers. So now we all got it, why USA got destroyed in pieces. It is them who are destroying it. Can you all see how Minnesota leader, that lady, Democrat presidential candidate, talks so sweet just to get through the presidential election, but it was just namesake, absolutely namesake, right? Because they are the ones who are creating the poverty after all. But then how did they change everything and made to look so sweet like that? Anyways, as of January 30th, 2021, I, Vedapriya, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off process for tax fraud provided by absolute monarchs. Absolute monarchs must pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans. That means Queen of England, Elizabeth II, must pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions. Next 1 second itself she have to finish paying it. Why? That much of deadliest crime she provided, and it is only for this crime I'm talking is only about state tax mandate. And state tax mandate was also created only for what? Poverty mandate. Got it? So according to the Holy Bible, civil law guidelines, a nation should, please write it on your skull, my dear fellow mankind, nation must never collect tax from civilians, and it is deadliest crime a nation can think of even in the dream. Means never, that's all, forever, never. The nation can never ever, does not have even a birthright. So the birthright means then at least the processing can be different. But when the basic on the foundation level, the USA nation do not have any birthrights to collect tax from the civilians, and it overlooked and is still collecting tax from the civilians. Oh, that is deadliest crime for that. And USA have to pay the price, right? Or can you, I will only ask President Joe Biden to create new brain and new heart and give to population. Ask Vice President Kamala Harris to create new brain and heart for fellow mankind. That means 7.9 plus billions of humans, right? They cannot think that only they are gods and they can only mandate poverty, right? That's why they were all fooled. They all never knew wisest way the prayer will stand up and get all the civil justice the rightful way. Got it? So Senate cannot, or can Senate create new brain and new heart and give to the population? Or House of Representatives? So why on the earth they have to provide a show and fool population, and they cannot fool anymore. Then you all have to refer Holy Bible, Luke chapter 19. Okay, according to that Luke chapter 19, refer that word by word. According to that, you as a nation cannot, must not, should not collect tax in any form and versions from the civilians. Period. So can you all see how the systems all got crashed, right? Then the 666 mark of the beast process model. Roman Jesuits province in USA is a poverty mandate health creating manufacturing facilities. Got it? So there are Roman Catholics, Jesuits organizations, right, in USA, and we all were looking into those. What are the states? Wisconsin, New York, New England, Michigan, and Missouri, right, and California, New Orleans, right. If I understood it, these are the 7 ones. So they are all created for what? Those Jesuits organizations, national government, population, the Senate, all were thinking, oh, they are holy, holy God, like that. But then, on the behind the scenes, they are the ones who are funding for all the government operations per state. So there are 50 states. And then, these tax mandate and the federal tax mandate was created only to create poverty. Got it? So that is a scandal part of it, and proves why Babylon, the great USA nation, is destroyed in pieces as of January 2021 is only because at fault and found guilt in all counts of the tax fraud provided by absolute monarchs. Who is going to pay damages, right? And you all know tax evasion, rental eviction, how innocent population foreclosures, right? And how people are thrown on the roads just like that by banks and the landlords without even any mercy, not even aware that it is always created only by the absolute monarchs, and it's the population are made to look at fault mode, right, with false prosecution, false shame, false guilt. These Babylonians, they are very good at creating false prosecution. They are excellent in making false prosecution and false shame like that. Versus the true Israelite Christian Jew knows only to display clean love. See, that is the only difference. Telltale symptoms they tell, right? There's only one difference between the true Israelite Christian Jew can display only cleanest love. That's all. Never knows to hurt fellow mankind. So that is how people can even identify, oh, are these. So now you all got understood. Whoever addressing themselves Judaism, Jews, like that, they are all fake. Got it? They all wanted to use that name for them to be on the survival mode. It's okay. I will one more time read that chapter, that Luke chapter 19. Okay, so that way all the scandals will be traced and measured, right? And then USA government will provide medical compensation to entire human kingdom. And paying me salary is a separate part because I am earning for whatever labor I am providing, right? That's what it is. So Jesus entered Jericho and was passing through. It's about the Zacchaeus, the tax collector. It's a parable about to educate people to walk in the wisdom ways. Okay, so Luke chapter 19. Jesus entered Jericho and was passing through. A man was there by name Zacchaeus. He was a chief tax collector and was wealthy. He wanted to see who Jesus was, but because he was short, he could not see over the crowd. So he ran ahead and climbed a sycamore fig tree to see him, since Jesus was coming that way. When Jesus reached to the spot, he looked up and said to him, Zacchaeus, come down immediately. I must stay at your house today. So he came down at once and welcomed him gladly. All the people saw this and began to mutter, oh, he has gone to be the guest of a sinner. But Zacchaeus stood up and said to the Lord, Lord, look, Lord, here and now, I give half of my possessions to the poor. And if I have cheated anybody out of anything, I will pay back 4 times the amount. Jesus said to him, Today salvation has come to the house, because this man too is the son of Abraham. For the Son of the Man came to seek and to save the lost. Okay, and then I will read what are the hell she created. This evil personification, Queen of England Elizabeth II. She is drinking human blood as only tax daily, right? Then I worked on providing whatever list from my end, okay, and it's all on a generic base. It's unique and generic, worldwide the same. Okay, so as of January 2021, sales tax for merchandise, consumer retail products, as in merchandise retail tax, clothing tax, there should not be any tax on the clothing. That is a $1 trillion era. And then, as of January 2021, sales tax for merchandise, consumer retail products, as in merchandise retail tax for clothing, subtype is burqa or hijab for Islam population, and Roman Catholics, fathers and nuns wear uniforms, which is also called as a burqa and hijab only, and there's a tax for that. So imagine what if there is never a hijab or those in kind of uniforms, how much of $1 trillion could have been saved and used to feed the poverty people like Sudan or Somalia or Tibet or Asian nations, even India for that matter, right? So can you all see how people, educated population only, are so evil, right? Because they will not live and they will not even allow other people to live. That is a telltale sign of an extreme foolish population. It's a disability, okay? Then, yes, it is disabled to be abusive, and it is a severity highest is like a leprosy. So if you're going to see any people who are mocking or bullying like that, you will know that they are leprosy patients. Why? Because they do not have any human nerves, right? That is why they are mocking. When people are able to live in a healthy love, then that is a healthy human operation, right? So that is why all abusive population are leprosy patients. Okay, so that means Queen of England Elizabeth II is a leprosy patient. So when that means who should be quarantined after all, right? And they do not even qualify to be in any of the federal prisons or any of the state prisons as well, right? So they should be gone only in ashes and only in volcano in Hawaii, because who gave that authority or birthright? They do not even have birthright, right? Nobody asked for absolute monarch organization. No, nobody. Or nobody asked for Pope crap. He's absolutely crap, right? He's a garbage. That is why all his attitudes of destroying fellow mankind peace, it's displayed in his actions, right? Nobody have to need any more proof. I'm proving all this scandal in a layer by layer way every single day, right? So, January 2021 sales tax for merchandise, consumer retail products, as in footwear tax. So, how many poverty people are just not getting footwear just because they are poverty? Because, and top of it, there's a tax. That is wrong, right? When the nation have to give everything free, because these benefits have to be free after all. National benefits, it must be free for everybody, not just for one people. It should not be even discriminated. In the benefits processing model, the people have to, they are thinking it's the dollars they are owning. No, that is wrong after all, right? It is rightfully belongs to the only poverty people. So that means they have to get all the benefits free. So January 2021, sales tax, merchandise, consumer. So all you name any of the basic essentials. It can be kitchen appliances or pet animal foods, right? Or personal grooming things, or baking items, anything for basic essentials, right? Then January 2021. There needs to be employment, there is what? Employment income tax for classification low income tax. So that itself is wrong. When people are in a low income mode, they're disabled after all, right? Instead of getting $50 per hour for a minimum cost of, based on the cost of living, on to get a grocery, insurance, and to have a very decent lifestyle. But then the low income people, they earn very less, right? The minimum wages will be anywhere between $5. If you're going to go and look into the waitress or the pub, like the alcohol, how the people will fix the alcohol in the alcohol shops like that. So they earn very less, unless and until the tip provided by the consumers is the highest, they earn out of that little bit. That is all, right? But then how people are exploited. Out of that, whatever they are earning, even if it is $1 or a $5 a day, they have to pay 15% tax. So, and 15 out of 15, maybe 10% federal tax, 5% state tax. Means, let's say a person is earning in a McDonald's or Uber Eats, like the driving or the, that means, imagine, out of 15% of the tax, already they are earning very less. So that is a disabled mode. Financially, they are disabled. They are entitled to work on that condition because they it's a survival mode, right? It can be because of health issues or it can be family issues, anything. So that means it must be the nation should step in and provide a healthy pathway, healthy environment. Oh, are these population at poverty? Oh, why can't we give provide all these basic necessities? That way they will be in a position to even upgrade their career paths or even go and learn extra, right, accordingly. So for that the pathway must be provided. But even then, because of all the scandals going on, these poverty population are tortured with 360 degrees, no help. So that makes to people to wonder, when education failed humanity, does a nation need education, right? So tell me, can you see how I proved the errors directly to the USA government, and they are all in total shock. That means the Republican government is in total shock, and Democrat government is in total shock. They are just going to, their blood must be boiling, because error after error, I'm displaying everything with a clean proof. So, so then there's an employment income tax for richest income people population, and then there is an income tax for middle class income tax people population. Then there is an income tax for self-employment tax. Then there is an tax for seasonal freelance income tax. And then there is a tax for small business owners with less than 50 employees. Then there is a tax for small business owners with greater than 50 employees. So then there is another type of community service job tax also. So can you all see tax after tax after tax, and how people are getting taxed, right? That is wrong. And all those tax dollars all gets into the belly of Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis and all the absolute monarch satans, be it Dalai Lama, yoga gurus. They are the one who are eating the whatever that is rightful belong to the poverty. Even the doctors, I would say, right? Dr. Fauci, doctor brings us shameless people after all. I don't know how they can be so shameless, right? Foolish people are like that. They are disabled after all. They are leprosy patients after all, right? That is why they cannot understand what is humanity. And on top of it, they have a fancy tag called doctor, because they went to the accredited medical school. So they have that degree to fool people, right? Then tax for retirement fund tax. That is another scam, right? Imagine the people themselves, be it either volunteer retirement or whatever in the retirement age, they are just going to be in a disabled mode only, because they cannot earn, they do not have any energy. Means all they can do is on the retirement age, if at all they want to work, they can provide some volunteer work here and there like that. That's all, like a part-time job like that. But then when a tax is enforced on innocent retired population, imagine the emotional torture. Again, when tax of state tax like 5% or 25% or 10% is enforced on those retirement population, oh my God, there is no other crime, my dear fellow mankind. Then that makes you all to think, is President Joe Biden a man? Is he a human? Right? We do not even have to go with any of the other government structure people, right? Because he only told he is going to be a leader. But how can he be a leader when all this tax scandal has been proved by me, by I am that I am? Then, okay, as if the retirement population getting tortured is not enough, they also included more torture to the unemployment benefits. It's a CARES Act, and that is a scandal that's going on right now. How many people never received the stimulus package? For the year 2020 itself, they never received the stimulus package, and I am one of them, right? So can you all see how the scandal has been provided in an organized way, and it is all mandated by Pope Francis? So that means Department of Children and Families are slaves to the Pope Francis only. They do whatever Pope Francis asks them to do. Then as of January 2021, there is a health insurance tax, which is also a scandal. When Queen Elizabeth II created all the medical drugs purposefully with lethal side effects that to create birth defects, infertility, genetic modified foods to alternate DNA and all that stuff, right? Hell after hell. Then civilians should never even bother to pay for medical drugs, medical billing, lab test, cost, tax, all tax only, right? It's all wrong. I proved. Then comes the auto insurance tax. That's also wrong, right? And then all the vehicles must be free, be it Benz or be it Kia or anywhere in between, Porsche or whatever, Rolls Royce. Everything should be free only for the civilians. Because for how long they have been provided a tax scandal, right? So now you all got educated that $500,000 trillion is just the cheapest medical finance aid I'm asking for USA to pay, right? They should know, a nation should know that they can never fool population just like that. That is deadliest crime. So then there comes the life insurance. Then there's the life insurance tax. Then funeral tax. Then burial insurance tax. Then coffin box insurance tax. Then housing property tax. Rental insurance tax. Then utility bill like water tax. Utility bill for heater tax, utility bill for gas tax, utility billing for electricity tax, utility bill for then gasoline tax, right? And then education tuition fee tax, be it it's on a very generic level. Then if you want to put a granularity, then as of today, private Christian schools are in the name of God. Got it? So private Christian schools and or Montessori schools or other type of private education classification tuition fees are taxed. And then that is for pre-kindergarten to 12th grade. What did the children do to the absolute monarchs? Why they even want to bother to torture the innocent children population, right? That is wrong. And why they want to enforce cost for an education after all? Including private Christian schools must be 100% free. So can you all see how President Joe Biden is going to resign immediately? Then, as of today, charter schools education tuition fee tax. Can you all see tax after tax after tax, and now exponentially it has been increased like the stars in the sky? And why exactly all nations are choked up, right? Because of the spider web kind of a scandal. Then there is a homeschooling, and that's also tax. Then military schools education, right? Army, Navy, Marine, they also have their own funding aided schools, and that is also tax. Then there is an online, they say, oh, why can't you get into the online internet based education? That's also tax. Nothing is free, and everything should be free when it, right? But then they made everything tax in order to create poverty. So it will hit very hard on the middle class people only, right? Middle class population who live on the paycheck by paycheck. And they have to budget for monthly variable expenses and fixed expenses. And what if the monthly earnings, it's not sufficient because of here and there the cost increases. It can be tuition fees one time, or it can be anything, right? Sudden accident or anything. So, how selfish and cunning and self-centered the Republican government and Democrat government, and they all talk only sweetest talk, and they are the lawmakers, right? When they are the lawmakers, they are the ones who are responsible. Even if Queen Elizabeth and Pope Francis asked them to do in a wrongful way, they should have slapped them and throw them in to already must be in the volcano in Hawaii only, but they never did that because it was a survival mode. They want to have the job, they want to have the salary, they want to live a better life. So who cares more? That is wrong. That's absolutely wrong. Right? It should be like when I'm able to eat at least one single slice of bread and one cup of healthy enough milk, right? And a fruit and a vegetable. I want all the 7.9 plus billions of humans to get the same, right? That is clean love. So why the Senate, Congress, Speaker, entire government operations, they never knew that basic humanity process. And they are only, if you're seeing the patterns of abuse every time in the election campaign mode, they always talk only sweetest talk. And that is how they have been asked to do. Hey, it's okay, these presidential candidates, just go in front of the television and just talk sweetest talk. That's all is needed. Make fool the population. And they do that. And they get a salary for that as well, just for talking sweet talks. Okay, then there's a financial no loans tax, right? The payment check. We all saw that PPP loans is already $1 trillion scandal. I already proved, right? So then I have to provide it in this session because it's all interrelated. Because its Queen of Elizabeth mandated the tax. She mandated all the banks should enforce the tax on any type of loans they are providing in their line of business products, be it personal loan, be it business loan, be it student loan, or be it paycheck protection program loan, right? And small business loan. It can be any type of loan. But she enforced that, hey, banks, provide tax for them. Means indirectly, and also on top of it, increase interest, right? Anywhere between 9 to 13 to 23% means imagine how much of poverty is created on the spot. And they know how to create poverty. So that means they were fooled, they are foolish enough to think that nobody will dare to tear down the masks of scandal of finance services. And I stood up and I displayed the finance services, be it bank or mortgage, everything's wrong. Even the housing urban development is also wrong. Rental also, everything's wrong. Just allow me to step in and I will design and I will provide all the healthy services. Means I am the one who can fix everything. I can bail out USA after all. Then the finance loan tax. So finance hardships economy improvement loan is also taxed. That is wrong. A person is so disabled in the financial crisis, more tortured in the emotional trauma, is only running to the bank to seek some financial help, right? But then they turn their backs on and they tell, no, sorry, we cannot, we can provide only to the employed population or some kind of income only, then we can pay. On top of it, what? Interest, heavy interest. And then they provide penalty, heavy penalty if we skip the paying the payment. All selfish. And I don't know how they can even go to the dining table and start eating any food, right? Because they are eating only the rightful dollars that is belonging to the poverty people. But the saddest reality is what? Innocence is identified. Why? Not even one banking sectors, be it federal banks or state banks, they never knew. It is the Pope Francis who is enforcing those kind of a business logic. Even at software destruction level, he's the one who's providing all the scandal. Now I'm proving. So what USA will do? Immediately President Joe Biden will transfer, wire transfer, a tax-free $1 billion to me as a salary. Because whatever crime I'm displaying is plus $1 trillion worth of scam. 500 years old of scam. Even if they include interest and everything for 500 years, that 50,000, 500,000 trillion dollars is very cheapest baseline penalty, I would say. Because the costliest is brain nerves are getting damaged, and nobody has that birthright to do that. Then January 2021, there's an alcohol tax, okay, and there's a tobacco tax. Can you all see how scam is exponentially increased? And then there is a grocery foods, organic foods. They may see when the non-conventional bell peppers are like, let's say, $2, the organic bell peppers, the same organic bell peppers will be $10, 25, like triple the amount. So with this scandal, as if this scandal is provided by Pope Francis is not enough, this retails also, like grocery stores or Amazon or Walmart, they themselves in their business or logic, they work on a wrongful mandated poverty enforced mode of billing processing, because there is a sales tax for every single grocery item you're going to get, right? And it's all for scandal. It's all enforced to be for poverty. So let's say when people are going for organic foods, let's say if it is a $300 versus the same worth of grocery, if you're going to get in a not organic way, you can end up getting within $100, right? So can you all see the price difference on that, and how the scandal is on an exponential way? And no, the retailers do not have any shame at all at the first place, right? Then genetic modified foods, they create transgenders, infertility, health issues, diabetic, everything. Those genetic modified foods, and on top of it, they are also having tax, and the innocent population do not having any awareness of what is genetic modified foods. They go get genetic modified foods only because it's cheapest, right? For $1, if you get 10 apples, versus organic apples might be only 5 or 2 for $10 or something like that. So that is why how they are enforcing all these wrong things. They wanted the people to get the disease, and then that is also for a tax. And that too, you pay money and get disease by yourself, do it yourself project model. So people never knows. They go get alcohol, pay a lot of money, drink it, get addicted, get their lungs and kidneys spoiled, and then they go run to the hospital. It's a chain reaction, never-ending loop of poverty. Nobody knew. Even the grocery like Walmart, and they're all absolutely purest form of Republicans. Like they cannot think of being a Democrat at all. Walmart, Amazon, like that. But then they, what are they going to do? They're all in a jail. They have to be only the jail with whatever operations after everything got crashed. Then, as of it's almost going to be 1 hour, but I think it might go beyond. So please be patient, okay? So then the January 2021 medical drugs tax, Monsanto tax, Pfizer tax, Bayer tax, BASF tax. Merck tax means, imagine, to create one medical drug is $1 billion cost because of the labor cost that needs to be provided on a different level, right? And that is why a drug cannot be even provided immediately just like that. People will say, oh, we are working on it, it will take months to years, like that. But how the scandal, this COVID-19 is going exponentially. Even providing the vaccination also, they are providing scandal. Already people are believing that, and they're taking the vaccinations. Can you all see the scandal in a scandal in a scandal? It is out of that scandal, Pfizer made $1 trillion after all. And actually the Pfizer was running out of almost to be shut down mode because of my education of the scandal. But then this COVID-19 came, and it is Pfizer who got the help, rightful help at the right time, because he wanted that help. So that means they know, people know when they're in financial crisis how to get the timely help. But then why that same thing is not provided to the civilians who are having the rightful birthright to get all those benefits free? So the common sense failed. People are foolish, selfish, self-centered, right? So it's all created on purpose. Then if you're going to see use the postal services or FedEx, right, or UPS, courier services, they are all tax. It's wrong. Roadways tax, railways tax, airways tax, oceans tax, war tax. Who asked for war? If United States wanted to provide war, then USA must pay $500,000 to all civilians, telling, "Hey, we USA is a absolute Babylon nation, Islam Judaism nation, the absolute paganist, communist. In the name of capitalism, in the name of socialism, in the name of Marxism only, we provide all the destruction to all the nation, and we are very proud of it. We never even bother to apologize for whatever we did to all the nations worldwide." And that means, can you all see how selfish the USA nation is? Even war also they are creating, but for the tax, who are they asking to pay? Senates won't pay, presidents won't pay for the war tax. They are asking the civilians to pay for the war. That is wrong. Can you see how, tax, if at all they want to have a tax for an economy, balanced life cycle process, then there should be healthy, affordable processing that should have been provided, but they never did that. It needs in a very sloppy way, right? Haphazard, like whatever it is mode, that is wrong. And out of this scandal, it is the population who are getting tortured. Why innocent population who never wanted war have to pay tax for war or nuclear weapons or war equipments or National Rifle Association, the gunpowders, the rifles like that? Why? If Queen Elizabeth wanted war, have her to go into the war front and fight for the war, right? Or if Pope Francis loves war, let him go to the war front and fight. Why all younger generation are enforced to go to the war? So there is that military abuse also. It's all for tax mandate. Everything tax. Army tax, Navy tax, Marine tax, Navy SEALs tax. Everything tax. That's wrong. And it's all created by Queen Elizabeth II. And this is an absolute proof. This particular video, if any human sees, they will be shocked because the proof is absolute fireproof. That is all is needed. USA will immediately provide me the salary, immediately will sign off job offer, being aware, this Vedapriya is absolute wisest lady. She is the most eligible one to lead the USA and all nations. And she should be the Vedapriya should be the supreme judge. That's what all nations will say. And I already told that was what all nations were wanting me to be when I was working on that volunteer job. And there was a scandal which I will provide a live demo and proof for that also. Okay? Because when people create damages to emotional level, they have to pay price. I already said, they cannot go free. Including it can be president or senate, whoever it may be. They have to pay the price. Or they should have provided at least an overview what on the earth they want to create abuse or torture. Right? Then there is a war tax, then military tax, army tax, then navy tax, Navy SEALs tax, then Pentagon tax, then exports import tax. Then if you're going to go into the medical billing, you all be wondering, right, why this medical billing is so costly. So hospital tax, hospital admin billing tax, then there's billing in a different classification tax, then patients billing tax, then per disease per type taxonomy code tax, then lab test billing tax, then surgery billing tax, then drugs with side effects tax, then ambulance tax, then paramedics tax, then accident trauma division tax, then 911 emergency service tax, then cops and police services tax, then FBI tax, CIA tax, national intelligence tax, mortuary tax, funeral tax. Then recreational natural reserves like parks and lakes, right? That is a tax. Then on top of it, as if this torture is not enough, Pope Francis also, Queen Elizabeth II also mandated other more tax. Las Vegas Sin City tax, casinos tax, nightclubs tax, strip clubs tax. Who asked for all these unhealthy stuff? Nobody, right? I already said men are innocent and women are double innocent. Nobody asked all these unhealthy stuff. So if Queen Elizabeth wanted all this unhealthy stuff, means then she has to puke all the tax dollars and pay all the tax dollars to the civilians, right? Or and first of all should get out of the earth immediately, because she destroyed the down to level on holy marriage processing, relationship broken, right? We all were wondering how the relationships were breaking up, how people were in so much love, broke up, right? You all got the answer now. Then there is Walt Disney Park Task, how they provide illusion. Oh, this is only for children. We are very kids friendly. People should follow these dress code, these language code, like this, blah blah blah. But then when they are providing the ticket, it's a tax, and all for illusion only, right? A castle, a fairy tale castle, or if you're going to see all the fairy, so if you're going to look into a little bit of history, that Walt Disney person is from Ireland. So can you all see how that Europe nations people are so cunning on their blood cells level? And all because of their slave and the slavery mode to Queen Elizabeth II. So even on the Walt Disney Parks tax, it is Queen Elizabeth saying, hey, provide the tax, let fool the people, it's okay. So imagine how many people have to, on foolish ways, they spend $5,000 to $10,000 just to go to the Walt Disney Parks. And just mock, right, the poverty people who cannot even go to the Walt Disney Park because of the cost, right? So middle class population, they save money, and they see everybody. I would say that it's all a recreation only. But then all I'm saying is providing the tax and making so costly, making it so unaffordable for other people. That is wrong. Right? Because everybody has the birthright to enjoy every national benefits, be it recreational, everything, be it theme parks, zoo, circus, anything. Civilians have the right to enjoy those, right? But that's not the reality. Queen Elizabeth has mandated provide poverty, reject benefits to the population. That is wrong. Who is she? She's not even a royal after all, right? So who is she to create all this kind of hell? So she has to pay the price. Then there's a lottery tax, right? Then publish clearing house tax. Then software world line of business products, as in Microsoft tax, Google tax, Apple tax. I'm just providing only those three people. I mean on the software world. But then that is an umbrella, meaning without those three products, none of the software world will be working. Got it? Be it media, be it news channel, be it any of the software logics, anything, you name it. Without these three line of business products, none, even Amazon cannot work. Right? I'm sure Amazon might be working on coming up with its own browser, but it will be a new product, right? So there are more people who are using already all these. So can you all see the scandal and a scandal and a scandal, and how exponentially increased? Apple is not having only one product, or Google is not having just one product, or Microsoft is not having one product. So imagine, let's say for example, is Microsoft is having 10 products, and there are 1 million or 2 million, or even let's say 1 billion users for one product. Then multiply it for 10 products for just Microsoft alone. Then it's the same thing, just clone it and just put it, instead of Microsoft, just put it for Google, and just put it for Apple. And this is only on a very high level, but there are more competitors for them as well, right? So imagine how exponentially the scandal is mandated just because the tax is enforced. That is wrong. When a people is going to get Apple products from the Best Buy or any of the retail, it should be tax free. Affordable pricing, right? So then there's an internet tax, then telecommunication tax like AT&T, Verizon, they all providing tax. It's wrong. So where are they going to have their face? Or where are the CEOs going to have their face? Verizon is in telecommunication forever. And it's very common in telecommunication doing that merging, right? So Verizon, AT&T, Sprint, like that. But then they are taxed. So all their software services crashed, wrong, invalid, disqualified. Then NASA satellite tax, that's also disqualified. People cannot even provide show anymore. Oh, we are the astronauts, we are the gurus, we are the gods of the satellite, like that. No, they cannot fool anymore. Tax. Then there is a criminal law tax. On the basic foundation level, criminal law, when a nation is providing criminal justice law itself is wrong. It's $1 trillion scandal. On top of it, they are even adding tax layer. That is wrong. So got it how Queen Elizabeth II is handcuffed by me, and as of January, now today is 31st. I've been working on this labor since yesterday. Okay, so you might be seeing January 30th, but it's still okay because we are still in an education process only. So Queen Elizabeth II is handcuffed, right? She cannot turn left or right even. And not even one single of her family members will be dare to provide any kind of help. Got it? She is going to get into the volcano only. Let it be 95 years old or whatever. And it's okay if you all think I'm so rude, but the crime is so deadly, right? You should have thought, oh, my fellow mankind, I should never even thought of thinking of hurting you all like this. Sorry. She never even bothered to ask apologies, right? That is so inhuman. There are mean people like that, my fellow mankind. They hurt the fellow mankind's emotions, and they just like that mock and enjoy the sufferings, and they just pass by. And that is one of the leprosy way of disease for the abusive people. They hurt, they move forward. They can move forward easily. And always, if you see, only the innocent people, the victims of abuse, are getting tortured and emotionally. And at least the nation should work on stepping in and providing that whatever that financial strain is removed, right? But they are not doing that. Why? Because Queen Elizabeth have mandated, hey, let there be poverty, make the people to be poverty mode. So that is with tax. Then there is a civil law. Civil law is the healthiest one, but then how it became polluted when tax is added. Got it? In the name of law, in the name of holy law, only they destroyed the entire justice services. And both the two governments are lawmakers, so they destroyed everything. So President Joe Biden should immediately resign because he destroyed the justice services of USA in pieces, being a lawyer, right? He's not fit to be a leader. Then, for each and every lot fees, there is a tax. There are different law types, right? You can classify it as a medical law or immigration law or education law or workplace law, right? Or injury, persons getting injured, either a physical from the accidents or internal brain injury. So they collect tax. I mean, they collect the fees. Even that itself is wrong. Okay, the law fees should be absolutely free. Then on top of it, they are adding tax. Queen Elizabeth mandated it. Can you all see how it is always a diverse population enforced to be poverty? It's all because it was organized, created. They do not want people to choose wisest choice. Period. They want to live, they want people to get married to the wrong people and live in the wrong relationship, regardless of abusive, toxic marriage, sexless, loveless marriage, or healthy enough marriage certified as by the society. Regardless of whatever, the moment when people get married to the wrong humans, it's invalid, disqualified. But they do not, these absolute monarchs do not want those people to choose a wise choice of filing for divorce, because then they want to enforce poverty on them. That is wrong. Okay? So that means they are not allowing people to choose a wisest choice, they are not allowing people to live. That is wrong. Then if you all might be aware of different credit cards and MasterCards. And if you're going to see on the cards, you will see on the lower right side, lower part of the card, Visa card or MasterCard or Discovery or American Express. They all have credit services line of products and debit card services products. They all are taxed. That is wrong. Tax is one scandal, okay, and then providing credit is another scandal, and third of all, they increase uh, exponentially, the interest is increased. That is another scandal. Then for each swipe of the credit card for the payment, they collect tax and money. That is a scandal. So scandal and a scandal. Can you all see how educated population only worldwide are creating hell for mankind in self-centered, selfish, cunning way? Then there is a federal prison tax, then state prison tax. After all, there should not be any prison. I already said why there is prison, because Queen Elizabeth wanted some kind of an extra money to put her in a pocket. And she enforced, okay, nation government, daily throw 10 people or 100 innocent people in the jail, get tax, pay me, like that. So she provides all that scandal processing model, and you as a nation have to follow that. Otherwise, they will be in the it's a survival mode. They'll be killed or they'll be laid off from their job, and survival mode. Then there is an entertainment tax. You all, I already educated, right? You all go to a movie theater, how much people spend. So entertainment tax, Hollywood tax, Oscar awards tax, movies tax, television shows tax, radio shows tax. All these people, they earn when people watch their movies more or shows more, it be it media, anything. That is how they get the salaries, highest salaries. The more people watch their shows, then they get paid. Then there is any media types tax. Then 100% diseases, you name any disease, my dear fellow mankind, it's all created only for tax. So for example, cancer means tax, infertility tax, birth defect tax, stillborn babies tax, transgenders tax. DSM means disorder, mental disorders, right? It can be Alzheimer's, where people, Alzheimer's or dementia means they are all coming under the memory malfunction. So when people are undergoing through a lot of stress like this, it might impact their brain nerves, the memory processing, everything, right? So, but it's all mandated only for tax. Nobody knew why people are getting Alzheimer's, why people are getting cancers like that. The reason is it is Queen Elizabeth II. She is the one who's creating cancers and infertility and birth defects, all this. So USA have to pay $500,000 trillion. It's never a joke, right? When Queen Elizabeth is very much ready to, proudest to create for infertility for fellow mankind, she must also be ready to pay $500,000 trillion to the population. Got it? That is civil justice. Don't you all think never ever after this civil justice sign off, abusive patients will all be healed? Never ever there will be abusive, and all the nations will be able to go, why? There is no, oh wow, what's happening? Everywhere peace, what's happened? Like that, nation governments will be wondering. Because I am slapping all the national governments left and right. That is all is enough. Right? And all different death types. I already explained to you all on that, okay? Then, if you're going to come finance, then there is a finance, then there are different types in that diseases also, right? So we covered one part, the cancers, infertility. Then the other comes as other disability created is from natural disasters, right? All of a sudden, parents will be died in that tsunami or wildfires, and the children will be left out as an orphan, like that. Or financial stress creates death, right? People lose stocks or exchanges or savings, or in financial crisis not to pay the rent, not able to pay the rent, and they might even self-inflict, die, or or have a heart attack and die. Means The financial stress itself is created to create death only. That's also for tax. So Queen Elizabeth II, she very cunning way provided all in an organized way. Nobody knows. What will people think? Oh, this person died out of heart attack. Nobody will ever have that common sense to think, oh, it is because of the financial stress and emotional trauma enforced on this civilian only, this heart attack came. Can you see how the crime is also made it as an or in entire population? Just be aware that any medical professional, right? Professionals, be it doctors, nurses, whatever, they know how to create havoc to the mankind. Got it? They know what type of a drug when they are going to inject to the civilians, they will die immediately, or like that. So that means, and they can also get away with free. Okay, because nobody will have a clue when the drug is mixed in the water or a milk. Wow, people not even have a clue what thing. So can you all see how Queen Elizabeth created all this havoc? So natural disaster means what? Volcano created deaths, flood created deaths, then tsunami created deaths, then snow blizzard created deaths, attacks, all attacks. Then cyclone types created death attacks, then sandstorm created death attacks, then wildfires created deaths. Means there are more deaths and types, which I don't even want to go in more detail, it will take time. It's already 1 hour and 20 minutes past, but then please be patient. I just don't want to finish this in one session. Then there is a medical billing tax. So doctors were thinking when they are going to provide a very long list of medical bill and enforce cancer patients to die in the poverty with an emotional stress, they got slapped by me, right? Dr. Fauci, Dr. Brinks got slapped, and they're getting slapped every single day, left and right from me, only one human in the whole entire earth. Right? So they are in a shock mode. Oh wow, can even the victims of abuse patients can also provide a billing costly like doctors? They got it, right? They got it that doctors cannot fool the population anymore, right? And that is why my $500,000 trillion medical financial aid is the cheapest one, and it is an absolute fire slap on the face of doctors. Who are them to destroy their basic humanity? Who are them to sign off Las Vegas is healthiest? Right? So they're going to pay all the price. When they are eligible to, when they can create all Las Vegas facility to provide with free loans, they never bother to provide the same kind of a free loans to the civilians who are seeking for shelter or affordable housing or rental assistance, right? That is wrong. That is basically wrong. So nobody knows what job they are doing, anything. That's wrong. Then robocalling is also poverty mandate. It's exclusively created for poverty. If at all, let's say, if the United States of America wanted some categorized population to be poverty mode, right, or debt mode, then they will have their own robocalling team to provide that services to enforce the poverty. That is wrong. And Queen Elizabeth only taught them, educated them to provide that. So what is USA going to do about that? Right? What is President Joe Biden going to do about that? We are all in the 11th hour, means you do not have any time to fix boom. There's no time to fix anything, and that cannot be fixed also. Only I can fix it. So he is in a total absolutely resign now mode only. Then there is a phishing tax. Phishing means it's a cyber attack, right? The hackers try to get into your laptops or your mobiles, like that. So it's called hacking, basically. Or they try to fool you. Like, oh, you can do this and you'll get $1 million, like that. So those are called as a phishing in the software world. Okay? And cyber attacks, data breach. So these are all the organizations created by Queen Elizabeth II itself only. So people are thinking, oh no, there are cyber attacks like that. No. I already said civilians never knows to hurt fellow mankind. They have to be trained. So that means Queen Elizabeth ordered to USA to do what? Hire people train them to be cyber attacks, train them to be robocallers, and then get the tax out of that to me. The tax means was the first step is poverty will be mandated, and then add more tax on it. Boom, excellent, successful, poverty is created. Now pay the tax to me. This is what she provides as a guidelines, and foolish USA follows whatever she's creating, and she misguided USA operations after all. That is why USA is in $22 trillion deficit. That itself is a standalone crime. A nation cannot be bankrupt mode, right? That itself is wrong. So that proves that how the Republican government destroyed the US in pieces, and how Republican government, Democrat government also destroyed US in pieces. I have to step in. I have to teach what a Senate Senate population have to do. Nobody knows their job. That is another layer of reality, harsh reality. What if the Senate only knew what job they have to do? Then it would have been heaven after all. Right? All people would have been living only in heaven. Then there is war crimes tax, war equipments tax, nuclear. Did you all ask for this? I never asked for war. I never asked for any nuclear weapons. Who asked and who gave authority to create the nuclear weapons? It is Queen Elizabeth to enforce the DuPont in United States of America to create nuclear weapons. So she abused the healthy chemicals to create nuclear weapons. And who should pay the tax? You all tell me. Is it you and me, or government, or who? Is it? It is Queen Elizabeth too, right? But that's not the case. So today, $500,000 trillion will be the cheapest medical finance aid, right? Then there is a religion tax, arranged marriage tax, forced arranged marriage tax, child arranged marriage tax, then LGBTQ marriage tax, then polygamy marriage tax, and love marriage tax, then domestic partners living together out of wedlock or getting pregnant out of wedlock marriage tax, then domestic violence tax, then domestic violence slavery tax. Got it? Who created? Either Queen Elizabeth should say she knows what is domestic violence, slavery, when she provided British African slavery ships help, or she should say she don't know what is the word slavery. Either way, we are winning the case by case home run only. Then there is a domestic violence hatred tax, domestic violence discrimination tax, then domestic violence dowry tax. It is a process where humans are sold in the name of marriage. See, can you see all how the fake is always provided in the name of love, in the name of justice, in the name of patriotism, in the name of like that. So that is, and this one is also one of the scandal. That is all. In the name of marriage, they enforce dowry, and it's also scandal for tax. Then there is a prenuptial tax, right? So here people tell, oh, in USA and European, people will only marry out of love marriage only, and that to the extent the man in love with the woman should double quote should fall down in knees and also get at least a minimum cheapest diamond ring. Otherwise, it's not marriage, right? And then on top of it, what is the scandal? Okay, they have to live together without getting married, lose everything, right? Whatever is called as humanity. And then, then they'll finalize after 3 years or 4 years or whatever. Foolish people, right? And then they will get finalized to get married. And that what they will do, it's the same thing as a dowry only, but only it is a different way. I already educated. Europeans got butchered in one way, and the Asians and the other nations got butchered in another way. But the severity of the damages done is the same. So they provide the prenuptials for a security. What security? If they're getting into the wedlock, if they're getting into the holy marriage thing, what if some kind of an abuse or unfortunate happens, right? Then they do not want to get into that emotional drama. So then for that, so even then that is wrong. When there's a real true love, why people have to provide those stuff, right? So can you all see how even in the name of love, everything got destroyed? Right? And people never knew. People were thinking dowry is a normal way of wedding rituals, or prenuptials is a normal way of wedding rituals, but it is not. It is made to be for a tax. Then domestic violence, common health nations tax, and domestic violence NATO tax, domestic violence Europe Union nations tax, domestic violence TPP tax, SARC tax, then domestic violence monuments tax means seven wonders, Taj Mahal, Eiffel Tower, like that, and then Confederate slave statute tax in USA in all 50 states. They're all taxed actually. Then there is a homeless tax, poverty tax, refugee tax, orphans or orphanages tax, foster parents tax, then agriculture and farmers tax, then non-profit organization tax as in UNICEF tax, American Red Cross tax, Salvation Army tax, then World Bank tax, then United Nations organizations tax, then Center for Disease Control tax, then World Health Organization tax, then tax of any versions. Okay, so now I will move forward with the regular sign of things. So you all got educated, right? How many tax? It's all eating the rightful dollars that belong to the poverty population. And this testimony is what? The live fire proof that Queen Elizabeth II is a Satan. It is just enough for USA to sign job offer to me immediately. As of January 29, 2021, when Queen Elizabeth II, the Antichrist, created COVID-19, COVID-19, what are we talking about? The tax, the state tax mandate is healthiest. There must never be, created COVID-19 arranged marriage is healthiest. There must never be any state tax mandate $1 trillion error in United States of America and all nations worldwide. As of January 2021, when Queen Elizabeth II, the Antichrist, created COVID-19 forced arranged marriage is healthiest, there must never be any state tax mandate $1 trillion error in United States of America and all nations worldwide. Then as of today, as of January 2021, when Queen Elizabeth II, the Antichrist, created COVID-19 child marriage is healthiest, then there must never be any state tax mandate $1 trillion error in United States of America and all nations worldwide. Then as of January 2021, when Queen Elizabeth II, the Antichrist, created COVID-19 LGBTQ marriage is healthiest, then there must never be any state tax mandate $1 trillion error in United States of America. Then as of January 2021, when Queen Elizabeth II, the Antichrist, created COVID-19 domestic partners living together out of wedlock or getting pregnant out of wedlock marriage is healthiest, then there must never be any state mandate tax. Then as of today, when Queen Elizabeth II, Antichrist, created COVID-19 polygamy marriage is healthiest, then there must never be any state mandate tax mandate $1 trillion error. Then as of today, when Queen Elizabeth II, the Antichrist, created COVID-19 love marriage is healthiest, there must never be any state mandate $1 trillion errors in United States of America and all nations worldwide. So birthrights level, self-esteem is all destroyed, stripped off from all civilians worldwide one way or the other in any variations of Vatican created COVID code of abuse tax mandate, satanic law is highest reality. So nobody is left out in Queen Elizabeth mandated 666 mark of the beast scandal. Yes, I am going to get civil justice for total 7.9 plus billions of human population fallen in trap of Vatican scandal in 6666 mark of the beast process mode of code of abuse law. And then because Queen Elizabeth II, Satan only created any state tax mandate, trillion poverty mandate, it's $1 trillion error for toxins to be injected to the human population using 666 mark of the beast is proved, and Queen Elizabeth II is proved as a she created all the satanic process to destroy human brains. So civil justice must be served, and the criminal nation should never have criminal justice also proved, and error of Department of Justice also proved. So divorce process for any available Queen Elizabeth II created COVID-19 marriage types, population should be annulled, dissolution of invalid disqualified marriage for Satan Queen Elizabeth only created all the hell. And out of total population, total male population is innocent always, total female population is double innocent always, and that is why in true Christianity alone, biological moms alone have the highest impasse eligibility to have sole custody according to the Holy Bible guidelines, and always forever biological moms and or surrogates rental womb service providers worldwide should get the sole child custody as in Holy Bible guidelines of civil law. So President Joe Biden must immediately resign for fatal negligence, and I, Vedapriya, become Supreme Civil Chief Vatican Leader now, and I, Vedapriya, become Supreme Chief Civil Chief Family Law Judge for all nations, for I displayed $1 trillion errors of wrongful hell mandate. Pope Francis created hell divorce law. So I can bail out the Department of Children and Family later when I become the medical director for all nations. So prosecution, crucifixion enforced to humans in different versions is a deadliest crime. So can you all see how innocent civilians enforced to look at fault mode when all the hell created by Queen Elizabeth II is always look holy, holy, godly, holy highness, holy republica, and it's a scam. So yes, I am the mouthpiece for the entire total population, and I sure will get the civil justice for all. Either Queen Elizabeth II should say knows what is state tax mandate $1 trillion of toxins to be injected to the population, or Queen Elizabeth II should say never ever heard about what is the word called tax, don't know what is tax, like that. So either ways we won the case. Okay, so can you all understand how emotional level, feelings level, Queen Elizabeth II, absolute monarchs queen, just destroyed anything of humanity worldwide for all for fanatic love of crown alone, and that crown does not even belong to her. She's not even royal. She's not never a queen. Right, that is a telltale signs of why and how the pagan is the fake people can even destroy the nations, right? Absolute monarchs do not have any birthright to enforce COVID-19 tax mandate, code of abuse law, hell, Holocaust, and access the mandate law to innocent civilians worldwide. So, so how precious lives of civilians destroyed without awareness. In disease life cycle, always disease creators is at fault and never innocent. So for destroyed all in marriage law and destroyed human lives by destroying human brain nuptials mode, it is absolute monarch Satans should pay $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans. So I, where the pre-approved Vatican Jesuits leader, and then Queen Elizabeth II, Satan, Antichrist created all these hell variations. So Queen Elizabeth II must resign, and I become Vatican leader. Now is civil justice served. I should only lead enterprises, software design solutions architect for entire world. So you all got the correct answer why President Joe Biden will resign in next 1 second. And I want to convey to the United States of government that I, Vedapriya, eradicated COVID-19 plague as of January 25th of 2021, and it can help me when USA government pays me tax-free $1 billion using direct deposit, can help me to take care of my basic essentials. And Queen Elizabeth II, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer only created tax mandate COVID-19 type. So that is why Queen Elizabeth must get out of the earth, and now only in a volcano in Hawaii, to be gone in ashes without a trace. Then so civil justice as of January, as of today, is according to the Holy Bible guidelines in civil is Queen Elizabeth II should pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever, and Pope Francis must resign now, and President Joe Biden must resign now. Then I, Vedapriya, become Vatican leader with salary of tax-free $250,000 per annum, and I, Vedapriya, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge and Supreme Chief Civil Family Law Judge across the globe, all for all nations now. And I, Vedapriya, become Global Poverty Relief Medical Chief Director for all nations now. Then I, Vedapriya, Native Indian tribe, true Israelite, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of USA must should become interim leader of USA now, and Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu must be renamed after my name, and USA government must should pay me tax-free $1 billion for I eradicated COVID-19 plague faster than any robo, and I saved entire human kingdom and proved absolute monarchs destroyed national operations and proved Queen Elizabeth is so evil. So whatever predictions predicted in the Holy Bible is happening now, my fellow mankind. So yes, and I would also always ask, please provide my life testimony on television, let it be on all televisions, so that all the nations, all the entire human kingdom will get helped by me, and I sure will get the civil justice in 1 minute. Okay, and yes, I am that I am born to save the world, and thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye now.